How to share your Skype profile link? First of all, you can either download a Skype app on your device or you can also open Chrome browser. With the help of the search bar, type in Skype and you need to land on the result pages. Now tap on the official link of Skype. You can simply open a Skype in your browser or download a Skype. Make sure to sign into the Skype to continue. Once you log into Skype, you need to simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now once you reach on this page, you have to tap on a Skype profile at the bottom of the screen which is under Manage. Now tap Share Profile Link. And here are the three ways that you can easily share your Skype profile link. That is one, by copying the link to your clipboard. The next is tapping on the email, and you can easily enter the email address of your friends or family to whom you want to send, or you can also revoke the shared link as well. Once you copy the link to your clipboard, you can easily open any kind of applications and then share it to your friends. Our Skype profile link to this user. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.